How can he reach
Look, he got it.
Are those black things on the floor skeletons?
I don't know. You gonna get it this time?
Yep.
Has he got it?
Yep. I hope he does that one.
Maybe he doesn't see the other one.
Look, delicious eyes. Delicious eyes. Delicious.
Come on, Spider. Take your cricket.
Come on, we're feeding ya. Or you'll die.
He doesn't want it. Look, he's running away.
Look, look.
Oh, he's got it. Look.
No.
No, not yet.
Oh, whoa, whoa.
Oh, man.
Cricket.
Well. Hold on, he's got to grab it again.
I don't think he wants it, maybe.
There's a big egg sack he's grabbing off here.
Looks like he's smashing it.